Hi viewers, I'll start with a little gift that I received. Now, one of my silver testing slide buyers sent me these gifts along with payment. So let's get on and have a look, see what they are. This looks like Mexican coinage by the look of it. Got a 2005. Yes, multiple Mexican coins there, 50 cents. And it's a newish one there. So thank you for those, and also a silver bar which is very, very proof-like. So yeah, careful how I show this one. What is the make of that? I can't see. Oh, the Texas Mint. There you go, right down the bottom there. I've never seen a fake one of those, but I'm sure he will have tested it on his silver testing slide before mailing it out to me. But let's give it a quick go anyway, shall we? In the plastic. Looks good. Anyway, thank you for those, my friend. I won't say who it is in case he didn't want me to identify him, but if he wishes to let himself known in the comments, he can. So thank you very much for those gifts. Now let's get on with some Mexican gold that I received in the mail as well. I have saved you the trouble of partially getting into these. And here we have the fractional 2 pesos, 2.5, 5 pesos. That's the 2, 2.5 and 5, which I'm sure you all knew. And also the holder. This came from an Instagrammer, so thanks ever so much, Scott, if you're watching this, for hooking me up with those. And I do have the 20 pesos to go in there, which I will just grab. So to complete that set, I will just need the 10 and the 50, which of course is the most expensive one, but with recent pullback in gold prices, that gold could be getting a little closer. Gold or gold, actually. Anyway, that set is hopefully going to make me a second set, one in the white holder and one in the black holder. Anyway, that's about that for that video, but I'll hopefully be uploading another one shortly. Thanks for watching.